Good morning. My name is David Angueira. I'm a trial lawyer here with Swartz Swartz in Boston. And today I'd like to discuss an issue that has become quite relevant right now. That is your civil rights in addressing police misconduct. Most of you have probably heard about the most recent violent conduct resulting in the death of many American citizens around this country when interacting with police. And the issue that I want to discuss with you is, what are your civil rights as a citizen compared to the rights of a police officer or government official when they're trying to maintain the safety of the public? And that's a fine balancing act, which unfortunately I think has been leaning in the wrong direction for the last couple of decades. One of the things that I need to mention, even though it's a legal term, it's important for you to understand this, is the concept of qualified immunity. What does that mean, immunity? Immunity means that you cannot be sued for something that you did if you fall into the qualifications of qualified immunity. That's a concept that the United States Supreme Court developed many, many years ago to protect police officers who were properly engaged in situations with citizens when they thought they needed to exercise a certain amount of force. Everybody understands that there are times when there are people that commit violent criminal acts, and we need the police to protect our safety. That's not the issue. The issue here is when government officials or police officers use what's called excessive force. That's force beyond what's necessary, what's reasonably necessary to counter what the other person is doing to them. And that's the issue that is really important for us to understand today. As American citizens, you have constitutional rights and civil rights to be protected against these excessive forces or misconduct by police officers. And it's important that you understand that. So if you or a loved one or family member have been involved with a situation where you believe that improper conduct by a police officer or excessive force by a police officer has occurred to someone that you love or family member or to yourselves, you should really contact a lawyer immediately to discuss what your legal rights are. It is very important that you understand what your legal rights are. And this is a complicated area of the law that you cannot engage in on your own. So I highly recommend that you call us here at Swartz Swartz to discuss this issue. And thank you for listening.